Hi guys, welcome back to another training video, and today we will be discussing how to use this mobile application for our clients in Ollie. So first thing we need to do is to log in our account. This is in the point of view of our client, by the way. So support plus 8 at ollie.com.ph password paste, then log in. Oops. There you go. So this is the test company that we just did a while ago. So I am Johnny Chan. If we're going to click on the corner right, you can see JC, meaning Johnny Chan, and I am the owner of this company. So you can check your profile, you can edit, and uh, my team. You can see your team members. You can also add here your new team member. Let's try Samantha De Vera, for example, and then Samantha dot De Vera dot sample or test company one 123 at gmail.com.ph. She is my staff as well, so I can just invite her, invite Samantha, then it will show up here. So going back, settings, so you can change our password, delete our account, you can read the about and the privacy and policy. So going to our dashboard again, so this is what it looks like. So a while ago we did one task that was assigned to us by the firm. So we can go ahead and chat our firm from here. Hello, do you have time to send me the financials now? Then the firm can receive that, and the firm can also reply, sure. You can see the reply is happening uh, live. So I just sent you check your email, and you can see that financial is sent to me already. Again, just to remind you, this is on the point of view of the client. So, okay, uh, we'll check now. Thanks. There you go. You can go back. That. Uh, then uh, this one is still pending. So we can try to ask, uh, was there, or like, have you guys set up a meeting already? I am seeing this update open. Can you complete? So the firm will receive that comment, uh, and now let's go back to the firm and check for the uh, client update from the test company and check. I will complete it here right now as I speak. So you can just go back and click. There you go. You can see that it was already completed by the firm. So go back. So here you can see the update in the middle icon on the bottom part, and on the second one here, this is I will create another one so that you guys can see how this happened. So I will create new task here. Client company, test company. For example, client task. I will assign. Please send us uh, send funds for payroll. And due date is on the 11th. There you go. So I just created now a task for this client. So you can see here it says send funds for payroll 12/15/2023. Then I can just let them know that I just already did. For the sake of this training video, I just sent it. Please check the bank and check the bank and let me know if it cleared. Thanks. So you can also upload file. Not sure why it's not working on me, but yeah, I will just take a note of this. It's not working here. Go back, try to upload. There you go. Like this one, donut. So when you check this, you can view it here. Donut. So, and also the firm can now check the file on the web portal, and then you can delete. They can delete it, or I mean, they can complete the status. So before me completing it, I'm gonna check here. So you can see 50% completed. One is open because the firm didn't is not yet completing the uh, pair of funds. For example, a few days have passed and this is still open. We can comment, why is this still open? Is there any action needed from me here? So you can see here, and right now I'm going to complete it on the web. Let's try if it's going to update. See, it's now completed, and task closed. 100% it's complete. So the uh, the client can see now that there is no open task assigned to him, and there's no update as well. It's already completed. So yeah. Also on the chat, and sorry. So for the chat, you can like add new client. For example, I mean, your internal employee. So for example, Paula, and just say hi. Okay, and there you go. Let's just wait for Paula to reply, and that's it. So yeah, that is how we use our mobile application for our clients. So if you have any other questions or concerns relating to this training video, feel free to email us at support@oli.com.ph, and I hope you guys learned something new today. Hope to see you guys in the next training video. Bye bye.